Good day to all employees in Hong Kong. I thank you for this opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Jonalyn Honey Basilio from Lianbang, Pangasinan, Philippines. I'm 29 years of age, single, but I have two children ages 8 and 5 years old. My hobbies is cooking and cleaning. My highest educational attainment is college level. My work experience in the Philippines as a cashier for 8 months. I started from August 15, 2018 to March 5, 2019, and also I work again as a counter supervisor from April 6, 2024 to July 12, 2024. I would like to work in Hong Kong as a domestic helper because I want to earn money for my kids' future. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I am loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you.